Welcome to the CiuisCRM installation tutorial. In this video, we'll be walking you through the process of installing the latest version of CiuisCRM on your server. We will guide you step by step through the process, so sit back, grab a coffee, and let's get started. Firstly, logged into Code Canyon, go to the Downloads page and look for CiuisCRM and download the zip file. Here is the zip file I have downloaded. Now, copy and unzip the downloaded file in the root directory. Open browser of your choice and go to the URL. The installation wizard will load. Simply click on this Install Now button. Make sure you have met all the server requirements and all the statuses are checked in green. Then click Next. In this page, you need to enter the database credentials. Create a database. Here I created a database by the name Ciuis. Enter the database name, username, password, and database host on this page. Check HT Access checkbox. And if you want dummy data to be imported, check the Dummy Data checkbox, else leave it as is. Then click on Install button. It will take up to 1 minute to completely set up. Copy the default login info to your clipboard or keep it aside so you can log into the application. Once the setup is complete, enter your license key, then click Verify. Now the license key is validated, use the default username and password to log in as administrator. And that's it! You now have the CiuisCRM fully installed on your server. All you need to do is start using it. We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching and have a great day!